Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to make a digital planner in GoodNotes. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So creating a digital planner for GoodNotes is a fun project. All you need to do is decide your planner format, the orientation, the size, and style. Now you need to choose a design tool. Keynote if you are using Mac or iPad, PowerPoint works similarly, or you can also use Canva or Adobe InDesign Illustrator. After this, you can design the pages, like cover page, yearly overview, weekly pages, and stuff. After you have done this, you can add hyperlinks as well. After you have done this, it will be completed. Once finished, export your design as PDF with hyperlinks enabled and make sure file size isn't too heavy. Now import it into GoodNotes. Open GoodNotes on your iPad, tap New and Import, and select your PDF planner. After this, you can customize it further in GoodNotes by using stickers, custom covers, and stuff. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.